Gold has been around for centuries, so why not bring it into your home and make it golden? So why has gold been so popular? Well, it all started in Egypt. They used it in tombs, they made gold objects, they made gold coins, and it's always been used by royalty. And you'll see it in Palais de Versailles in France, you'll see it in Buckingham Palace in London. Domes of churches usually always have gold leaf on them. Gold is the most precious mineral. It exudes elegance, prestige, and luxury. So why not bring it into your home? Add some value with a gold mural. We've got several different versions of gold murals to use so you can make your home more luxurious. This is the Blossom mural, and it's on a gold grass cloth, which has a beautiful texture, natural of course, so it's a little softer on the eye, and it has the quirky lemons, and this is more of a British chinoiserie style mural because of the tea roses and peonies. We have the Vining Beauty mural. This is actually on a gold mylar, which really does add value to your home. It's heavy duty, but it's a flat, matte, so shiny gold. It's not really glaring in your face, so it does exude elegance, and it's got this beautiful toile effect, so it's simple to decorate around. And these are great to mix with modern furniture as well as beautiful traditional pieces. The other gold mural we have is the Chinoiserie Magnolia mural. Definitely British inspired. Has a variety of flowers on it. So we've got proteas, magnolias, butterflies, very elegant, and looks fantastic for a guest powder room or a dining room. So go for gold and follow, share, and subscribe so we can inspire you to really enhance your homes with a wide array of murals.